Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'm gonna make some Japanese curry using the golden curry blocks. And I'm also going to deep fry some chicken and make chicken panko. So stay tuned for my tutorial. I have 3 carrots and they're about 5 ounces or 145 grams. And I'm just going to chop them. They're about this size. You can chop them one by one or all together. I'm just chopping them all together. Okay, I have about 4 potatoes and it's about 13 ounces of potatoes or 370 grams. And I'm just going to cut them about the same size as my carrot so they cook all at the same time. I don't want them to disappear, so I'm quartering them. Super easy. So my potatoes look like this. I'm going to put them all in a bowl and put some water in it so it doesn't turn brown. And I have about 5 ounces of yellow onion. And I'm just going to chop them. I don't like my onions really big. It's up to you and how you like them, but I personally don't like them really big. So I like it about this size. On medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then add in the carrots and potatoes. Then just give it a quick mix in the pot. Next, add in the chopped onions. And make sure to stir everything together until it's well combined. I'm just heating up all the vegetables together. Next, add 3 cups of water and 4 cubes of the golden curry. And this is going to give you the right consistency for the Japanese curry. And make sure you give it a mix throughout the cooking process to make sure that the golden blocks are melted all the way through. And this is the Japanese curry. Now let's get started on the chicken katsu. This is chicken breast that I thinly sliced, and now I'm going to pound it to make it even thinner so the cooking time is not going to take too long. I like to use parchment paper when I'm pounding my chicken breast to be really thin. It's just easy for cleanup and also for my mental mind about chicken splattering everywhere. Continue this process for all your chicken breasts until you are done. I'm wiping down the kitchen countertops with some Clorox wipes before I start the process of making the chicken katsu. Now it's time to season the chicken breast. I have garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. And I'm going to season each side of the thinly pounded chicken breast. And I'm going to season all of my thinly pounded chicken breast until it's all done. In a tray, I have some flour with the seasoning that I seasoned the chicken breast with. Garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Give it a quick mix. In a bowl, I cracked some eggs and I mixed it. Last, I have the panko breadcrumbs that I will use to make the chicken katsu. So first, you want to put your chicken breast and put it into the flour mixture. Once you have it all covered, add it into your egg mix. Make sure that your chicken is covered in that egg mix so that it can get good covering into your panko breadcrumbs. And make sure you put on that panko breadcrumbs in every inch of that chicken breast. Then you want to shake off any excess panko breadcrumbs. On medium-low heat, I place the breaded panko chicken breast into a pan. I pounded the chicken breast really thinly, so it's not going to take me too long to cook the chicken breast. And it's going to be nice, golden, and crispy. But if you're worried if the chicken breast isn't cooked all the way through, use a thermometer, and once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, then it's cooked all the way through. I like to place the chicken katsu on a rack so then it can stay crispy. Rest the chicken katsu for at least 5 minutes before you cut them into bite-sized pieces. All you have left to do is to plate your plate with the chicken katsu and ladle in the Japanese curry with some rice. And this is how you make chicken katsu and Japanese curry. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye! See you next time!